Hey everyone, here I have an extremely clean one owner 2015 Chevy Volt. This vehicle, as you can see, was extremely well taken care of. There is no scrapes or dents on the whole exterior of the vehicle. This car is in great shape. It does have a fresh set of Goodyear tires on it. In the trunk, you will notice you do have your charger. There's plenty of space back here, and if you need, you can fold these seats down, just like a hatchback. Now in your back seat, since this is an electric powered vehicle, there is no center seat, but you do get a center console in the rear, as well as two captain's chairs. Very spacious, and it's going to be very comfortable. Up front, you will notice you do have your smart entry with remote start. You do also have your power door locks, windows and mirrors, and leather seating. It's in great shape. Now on the inside, 70,000 miles. This whole cluster is reconfigurable, shows you all types of information. You have your lane assist as well as forward collision warning. You also have your cruise, your Bluetooth, and your audio controls. Over here, you'll notice you do have your climate. You also do have your navigation on this vehicle, as well as your Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, XM, FM, AM, all that stuff. You also get your heated seats, drive mode select, electric parking brake, push button start, backup camera with parking sensors. This thing's practically loaded. Come check it out at Shockley Honda. This vehicle is going to be extremely economical for anybody that commutes. Come check it out. 301-694-5400.